I'm taking away the fat in my body.
Mm-hmm.
What? My knees itchy. Let's get out right now.
Mm-hmm.
Remember in the working place, there's these steps that you can step on?
Mm-hmm.
Those are really hard, right?
Mm-hmm.
How's my knee so itchy? Oh, I must have been a mosquito bite.
Mm-hmm.
Can you put a SpongeBob on the towel?